Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 30th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the 4-hour time frame, yesterday I was talking about how it looked like it was either going to go down and make an ABC correction, which I still think is possible, or it was actually because the daily trend is down, it was actually going to turn into a complete trend reversal. I still think it is possible that it's going to go down because it really hasn't broken structure up, but I definitely do see the alternative that this could be an ABC correction. If it is an ABC correction, this could just be higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and it may just keep on making higher lows. So we do have to be a little bit cautious with thinking that it needs to go down because it definitely doesn't have to. Now going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is where yesterday I was saying it looks like a perfect five waves up. It looks like it should go down and break structure. This is the problem with Elliott Wave in my eyes, is because often you'll see something that looks perfect, but instead the market just makes another higher low and it just keeps on pushing up. The fact that it made another higher low tells me that it could keep going. Now I was looking at this thinking, okay, well this could be like a wave A, this could be a wave B, and it's definitely still could push down for a wave C and then reverse back up later on, or maybe it really is a 1, 2, 3 and it just keeps on going down. The only reason why I still have a little bit of a bearish outlook is because the daily time frame is definitely still down. So there is definitely still a chance that this does, break structure to the downside and keep trending down. So definitely keep an eye on your shorts. Just keep in mind that it's not just the fib bounce, it's the break of structure at a Fibonacci level that should be turning you bearish. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.